Everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox something from, I think, a company I've not actually even shown anything from yet on my channel, and that company is Sportsman's Outdoor Superstore. Now, from time to time, they get a lot of police trade-in items. They get in mags, firearms, they get in just equipment, all sorts of things, and I noticed that they had a police trade-in ballistic helmet with ballistic face shield, something that would be awesome to take to the range, especially if you're playing with anything of the Tannerite variety, just for an extra level of protection. Now these are, of course, they were used, they were police trade-ins. I want to say the price on them was $79. I'm not sure if they still have any in stock, but they also had some Bushmaster AR collapsible butt stocks with the buffer tube assembly. Those were $19.99, which I thought was pretty stinking cheap. I was like, that's a good deal. I don't know what I need it for, really don't need it, but I'm getting a couple anyway. So that's what we're going to unbox today, is that ballistic, that police ballistic helmet with ballistic face shield and those two collapsible stocks. So without further ado, let's dive off into it and see what I actually get from them. I'm quite curious. I'm really hoping that the helmet isn't completely ratted out, and I can't even cut through tape to save my life today. Really hoping that helmet's not ratted out, but we're gonna find out quite quickly. I am gonna flip this on its edge real quick just in case my packing slip is right there on the top. I don't see it. Okay, so I think I'm safe. There's our helmet right on top. Got some weird packing, whatever that is. I don't even know what those things are called. Let's get this helmet out of here. Wow, that thing is freaking awesome. Okay, I gotta make a little bit of room here. Let's set that helmet down and let's get Bushmaster stocks. There are two of those in here. Let me get this box off the table. I think what's underneath there is actually my packing slip. Let's find out what's in here. Yep, that's my packing slip. Alright. So guys, here are those Bushmaster stocks with buffer tube. I mean, honestly, I don't know if... Oh, that one kind of sucks. Right off the bat. I happen to notice that. But I can clean those threads up and still actually use this. It's just kind of unfortunate to see that squashed in area on the threads there. Other than that, stock looks great. Actually, when I unscrew this, it might fix those threads. I'm not too worried about it, seeing as how it's aluminum, that can be taken care of, but you know, just a decent Bushmaster branded AR stock. Nothing wrong with that. Well, there is something wrong with that one, but this other one, you know, I expected these things to be like dinged up and beat up. I am curious to see if this is a commercial or mil-spec style tube. If I can get it out of here. Alright, so it's not a commercial tube. Notice that square back end, so that's good. Always a plus. I want to say these buffer tubes alone will run you probably around 20 bucks, so I don't think that's a bad deal, to be perfectly honest. But this is what I was really after. This, other packing piece, is that ballistic helmet. Of course, it has that ballistic face shield. This thing is incredibly thick. As a matter of fact, even though this is a department trade-in, you guys can look at this hardware here and it looks really good. The internal liner, I mean, that looks awesome. I expected it actually to be much worse, but this thing looks good. I would imagine this is probably like a level 3 protection. I'm not really sure. I'd have to look it up. To figure out the manufacturer. Of course, you see the chin strap is in great shape. Of course, you can tighten these down to keep that helmet portion on there, or keep that face shield portion on there. But yeah, that thing is cool. Of course there's some bunch of white tape around it. I don't know why that's there, but it's pretty cool to have one of these. I've wanted one of these for quite some time, especially being at the range when you're playing with different things. But yeah, for $80, I'll take it, because these are not cheap by any stretch of the imagination. These things are very expensive, but it looks great. I mean, got some weird white duct tape around it. Don't really know why that's the case, but looks good. It's pretty cool. Like I said, I don't know what the threat level protection is on this. I don't see a manufacturer's marking anywhere. It might be under this tape somewhere. Not 100% certain, but everything looks good on it. And for $80, oh yeah, that's cool. I'm pretty happy to get that. Really happy, actually. So yeah, keep an eye out on Sportsman's Outdoor Superstore from time to time, because they get tons of police trade-in stuff in, and you never know what they're going to get, whether it's helmets, riot gear, stocks, parts, magazines, LEO trade-in, sidearms, things of that nature. I mean, that's pretty cool. That's really cool, actually. That's going to be real nice to take to the range for when you're playing with some of that bigger stuff, some of those larger calibers that might have a tendency to ricochet. Just something else to keep you safe. But anyway, just wanted to share this with you guys today. If you're so inclined to be interested in stuff like this, make sure you check them out. They are by no means sponsoring this, nor do they sponsor me. But anyway, be that as it may, like I said, they get stuff like this in all the time. You never really know what kind of condition it's going to be in with a LEO trade-in. Could be bad, could be wore out, ratted out. But this helmet, while it may have, you know, some roughness to the outside, the inside looks quite good. So I am tickled to death about that. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, as always, guys, I want to thank you to my subscribers. Thank you guys for all your likes, your shares, your comments. It greatly helps out the channel, helps out the algorithm. Make sure you share this with your friends if you think they might like stuff like this. Places to go to get cool stuff like this. Plenty of videos on the way. I've got so much content in the churn. It's crazy. But anyway, just wanted to share this with you guys. And thanks for watching. Until next time, you guys have a great day.